Hello everyone, here I have a PS4 and the issue is when you put in a CD it says unrecognized disk, and we can turn it on and off, doesn't help. Doing an update also doesn't help it as well. It's having problems with Blu-ray, CDs, your game discs, watching movies. You just put it in, it shows the CD logo at the right hand side. But after a minute or so, it just says that the disk is unrecognized. So I'll be having a look at this machine, and we'll be determining what the issue can be. So the first thing I did was I opened it up and I accessed the optical drive and I cleaned the laser. Using some isopropyl alcohol. Unfortunately, this didn't work. So what I did is I researched KEM-490 and I ordered a new laser head. For this type of PS4, it's actually easier to replace the laser head. You can order the laser head on Amazon. I put a link in the description below. And when it comes in this package. Now, to access that CD drive, what you have to do is remove the two screws on the front. Then at the bottom, remove the plastic cover. Then there are several screws on the CD case because we want to access the laser head. And there's also one security screw at the very top. With those removed, you can gently pry up the plastic covering over the laser head, moving the ribbon cable to the side, and then the bottom ribbon cable you can just pull straight out and it'll detach. And then at the back there's also a ribbon cable that connects to the laser head. To remove that, there's this little plastic clip that you can just pry up with your finger and then disconnect the ribbon cable. With all those ribbon cables gone, you will be able to remove the laser head. Here I have my replacement head. You just need to swap over the little rubbers that go onto each of the four corners of the new laser head. So I'm just taking off all the rubbers and putting them on to the new optical drive, putting it in and then attaching the ribbon cable, putting down the black clip, then inserting it. There are the four little posts that you will connect it. Make sure none of the gears pop out when you're doing this as well. Then connecting the bottom ribbon cable, it just slides right in. And then putting it down, we can fasten those screws using the star screwdriver. With the new laser head all fastened together, we can put on the top case and then we'll test it before we put the security screws in. So here I have a Blu-ray CD, a movie here. We'll just pop it in and see if it can read. So it goes in okay. You can see it's reading the disc at the right hand side. We'll see if it can detect the CD now with this new optical drive installed. And there you go, it has detected the CD, and we can select that and see if it will play. So it opens up and you can see that the DVD is playing here on the screen, so it is able to read the Blu-ray DVDs without any issue. The other thing I want to try is also playing games. So I've inserted a game and it is working as well. So if your PS4 is not reading discs or the discs are unrecognizable, cleaning the laser head usually does not work. What you can do is replace the optical drive. Okay, please like the video and subscribe. I do lots of repair videos on my channel, and you can go there and check out some other repair videos.